Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Abhiram, what are you doing in school, Abhiram?
Uh, so far we just took our Unit 4 test and we're gonna start Unit 5 tomorrow.
Unit 5 now what am I? Unit 5. Your Unit 5 may not coincide
I
with.
don't I don't know yet. We're just starting it. Tomorrow we're like starting it.
That's so hard, right? How will I know? Only thing you have to let me know.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Sure. How about Sri Charan? Sri, I can't ask Sri Charan. Okay. Harshika, what are you doing in school?
I just had my unit test on quadratic equations and inequalities, and I don't know what our next unit is gonna be because we don't have a syllabus.
Okay. Aryan, how about you? Do you know what you're doing in school next?
Yeah, Auntie, but we're just kind of going over like quadratics and stuff and like all the aspects of it right now.
Okay. I'll leave it there. Yukti, can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, we just finished our quadratics unit and now we're going into polynomials.
See, that's what I'm going to start with polynomials. Okay. That will be the new unit. Navya and Sanjanama.
It's like quadratics and imaginary numbers.
Oh, then is it easy? Amma, I completed that here. Is it okay for you to keep going with that?
Yeah,
Okay, but if you have any questions, you can bring it up, Ma. Make sense? Because you were not there earlier, right?
yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Sanjana, how about you?
Same thing, quadratics.
Quadratics, Ma. But see, complex numbers and all, I dealt with it. But you keep going. Wherever you're stuck, you can bring it to class. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go with polynomials. Arush, you can give me your inputs.
I'm not sure. We started a new unit and I haven't checked yet.
Okay, and Abhiram, whatever we did last week, was that useful for your test this week?
Yeah.
We did something on something we were discussing very intense.
Like about
Yeah,
diatrics
dialectics. Yeah. Was that
on
useful?
it. Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead with graphing polynomial functions. Let me start with cubic functions. Graphing polynomial functions. I really like that unit, guys. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's do cubic functions first, and then I'll go ahead with polynomials. Okay. Maybe we should go ahead with adding, subtracting polynomials or cubic functions. I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I'll go ahead with polynomials, okay? Because we studied polynomials in Algebra 1, right? Do you remember what a binomial is? Do you all remember what a binomial is?
No.
No, that's very hard an answer to me.
Is it the thing with two terms in it?
Yeah.
No. While I'll have to accept your answer. Yes, I'm not able to accept digest that you don't remember. Okay, that's okay. So see here, guys. Here, let's say y equal to x is what type of equation? Y equal to x square is what type of equation? Y equal to x cube is what type of equation? Yes. Y equal to x is what type of equation?
Linear.
Linear, because the power, see, y and x are on opposite sides. They're directly proportional and x power is 1. X power is 2. This is linear. Then what is the next one?
Quadratic.
Quadratic, or you can say parabolic. Okay. Then the next one?
Cubic.
Cubic.
Oh.
How about this? Y equal to square root of x?
Square.
Square root.
Square root. Okay. Similarly, y equal to x power of 4 is?
Quartic.
Yep. Y equal to x power of 5 is? Pentic. Make sense? Okay. Now, guys, the thing is, polynomials. Let's come to polynomials. Do you remember what a monomial is? Do you remember what a monomial is?
Just one term.
Yeah, one term.
Yeah, one term. A term means combinate 4 and x are called factors. 4x is called a term. Right? 4x is called a term. 4 and x are factors of the term. Now, monomial means only one term. I agree. Okay. Now, can I call this as a monomial. This is as well one term. Is it a monomial? This is from algebra, nothing from algebra 2. What do you think?
I think that's a term since there's like an X value there. Or am I wrong?
No, okay, I'll go there. Okay. So here the thing is, when you want to define monomials, your power of x, right, has to be a positive number, positive integer, rather than saying any fraction. It has to be a positive integer. 1, 2, 3. Suppose if you have 4 square root of x or 4 by x, what happens? 4 by x becomes 4x power of minus 1. So this is not a monomial. This is not a monomial. This is a monomial. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now when you have two monomials added, this is also a monomial. This is x power of 0. You see, okay, I should have said integer, meaning in this, see here, 4x plus 2x power of 0. This is a binomial because it has two terms. Similarly, let's say 4x plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 1. What is that? What type of polynomial is this? This is binomial. What is this? You guys,
Trinomial.
polynomial. But anything above 4, I am tired. So I go ahead with just polynomial. You got it? One another thing when you notice, right? When I wrote out polynomials, I always made sure it was in the descending powers of x. It was in the descending powers of x. It is in the descending powers of x. Writing the terms with the descending powers of x in order is called the standard form of the polynomial. Make sense? The degree of the polynomial is derived from the degree of the highest monomial. Here, the degree is 2. Here, the degree is 2. Here, the degree is 3. Suppose if I have 4x square y plus 3x, what is the degree of the polynomial? See the variables, 2 plus 1, 3. Here, there is only 1. So, which is the highest? The degree of this polynomial is 3. It is the sum of all the variables here. You got it? Some of the powers of the variables. Any questions here? So you okay, at this point you should be able to say given expression is a monomial or not, and the different types of polynomials, degrees of polynomials, standard form of polynomials. Any questions? Okay. Now, as we have already learned in algebra, 4x can be added with 8x. 8x I can't add it with 8. 4x I can't add it with 3. These are unlike terms. These are like terms. Like that, 4x square, 8x square, 5x, 3x. If it's given like this can be added with this can be added with this. Only like terms can be added with one another. Suppose if I have 4x square y plus 5y square x, can I combine them? No, they have to stay by themselves. They have to stay. Only like terms can be combined with each other in polynomials. Now, let's try this one. How about this? Okay, monomial, I have discussed everything with you. Okay, as I said, right, a polynomial, if you want to write it in standard form, it has to be in the descending powers of x. Monomial is a product of a number and one or more variables with whole number exponents. A monomial is a product of a number and one or more variables. I'll give you examples. With whole number exponents. Whole number exponents. It's not in, meaning you can't call integers because -1, -2 are negatives which are not accepted. 0 is included. So you'll have to put it as whole number exponents. I'll give you examples. 2, one or more variables. It can be 2x power of 3 or it can be 2x squared y. There can be many variables. But then the degree of this monomial would be 2 plus 1, which is 3. Make sense?
Miss Priya, some of your writing is getting cut off.
Oh my god, the same thing I had an issue with the last class. I don't know what is
Now
going
we
on.
can see it.
No. Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and reshare. I think now you should be able to. I don't know why that's happening. I'm glad you told that.
It came
So,
back before you clicked on
Yeah.
it.
oh, I see. Okay, good to know, guys. Just let me know if you have a problem. Now, this is a binomial? What is the order of this? I'm sorry. What is the degree of this?
2, 3.
3, ma. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? There are multiple variables. You have to take into account everything. And the highest degree will be the degree of the polynomial. Got it? Okay, suppose if I have this. What is the degree of this monomial?
1.
0.
0. Why? X power of 0 is there, hidden. X power of 0 is 1. Got it? The power of the variable is the power of the polynomial. I'm giving you edge cases, okay? They won't be this mean to you at school. How about this? How about this? X cube y 76. Let me erase all of this. Y 76 5 x power of 1 by 3. Which is not a monomial? Which of these is not a monomial? Which of these is not a monomial?
A
Is
and
it
B.
Y? B?
B, why? B has a variable, right? Power 1. So this is a monomial, right? This
C.
is a
No, I'm not
monomial.
sure. All of the other ones look
What do we
correct.
see?
C.
A C can't be because
Oh,
76 x power of 0 can be there, right, ma?
yeah.
Yeah, C is a monomial.
Oh, is
So
it because it's 5 square root x to the
Exactly.
power of
There's a
3?
fractional power. This is not accepted.
Y.
What is it? Y is accepted. See, x square y is a monomial still. X
No,
square
why is D not accepted?
Oh, not accepted because of the fractional power. Did I
So,
answer your question?
so if it's a fractional power, it can't be a monomial?
Exactly. If it has fractional power, it's not. That's why I said a monomial is a product of a number and one or more variables with whole number exponents. That's why we defined it like this. Make sense?
Okay.
This is how we define a monomial. See here, what doesn't obey? Product of a number and one or more variables. Here, there is a number 1. Product of 1 and one or more variable is x. It has a whole number exponent, so this is accepted. Here, again, 1 is multiplied with y power of 1 accepted. Here, this is hidden, but then product of a number. Number is here and one or more variables. What variable is that? Yes, x power. But then whole number starts from 0. This is anything power 0 is a 1. So it is hidden. Implicitly, it's x power of 0, which is 1. So it does get multiplied, meaning the number gets multiplied with x. Got it? And then, but here, the variable does not have a whole number exponent. 1 by 3 is not a whole number. So that is not a monomial. Hey, Sricharan, how was MC10?
It's this Thursday.
Oh, you didn't do 10A?
No, I'm doing 10B.
Okay. Okay, I did ask your mom to do 10A too. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now let's go ahead and try to add monomials. Let's see this one. How do we add these see, remember, always the like terms are added together. So that you need to be careful. The like terms are always added together. Okay. Suppose, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. What are these two called? 5 plus 3 equal to 8. What are these two called?
Constants.
No. Meaning, I'm going to our kindergarten,
Like-
first grade, second grade. What
Like
are
terms.
Numbers.
Ilima, when you add two numbers, what are these two called? When you add two,
The sum.
I'm just going to elementary, pre-elementary. What
Sum.
are
The sum.
this is called the sum. What are these two called? Have you heard of this?
No.
Oh, okay. These two are called addends. Similarly, 5 times 3 equal to 15. What are these two called?
Multiplets.
Multiplicants. Multiplicants. This is called the product. Okay, similarly, here it's a little different, guys. What in a subtraction problem, what are the two things called? It's just basic math, and I really want you guys to know at the end of it. So here, which is the one?
Two would be the difference.
Yes, good job. 2 is the difference. Very nice. This is just basic. I really want you to know because somebody comes and says this, you should know. So this one is
3 the subtractants.
good. What is that?
Subtractants.
Oh, good try, guys. But
Or
one.
minuses.
Oh wow. Okay,
Is it
nice.
minuend?
Yes.
Minuend?
Which is minuend?
The 5?
Yes, that's the minuend. This is the minuend. This is called the subtrahend. Make sense? Okay, that's just general knowledge. Okay, we'll move on now. It's not in polynomial because see in polynomials I saw a question, hey, here are the addends, what is the sum? So if you come across those problems, don't say that you don't know. Addends are the ones that you're going to add to get a sum. Subtrahend and minuend come in subtraction. Subtrahend is what is subtracted, minuend is what from what you're going to subtract. Product, the two that are being multiplied are called factor, are called multiplicants or factors. Okay, how about this? Let's go ahead with this one. 4x squared minus x cube plus 2 plus 5x power of 4. These two are the addends. Minus x plus 6x squared plus 3x power of 4. Do you want to try or can I try myself if you just interact with me? I feel like you don't have to do this. You should know. How will you add? Meaning add these two polynomials. Somebody help me out and I can do it on the board and others can watch. Anything works, guys, but as long as you get it. So let's
8x to the power of 4.
Yep, 8x power of 4
Or minus x power of 3.
minus x power of 3
Plus 10x power of 2.
plus 10x power of 2
Minus x.
Minus x.
plus 2. See,
plus
wrote it in standard form as well. Decreasing powers of x. Make sense? Okay, so
Yes.
this should be easy. Yeah, additional polynomial should be easy for you. Now, see, subtraction is very tricky sometimes. I'll show you what is tricky about it. How about this? How about this? Subtract. Please do and send the answer. Or minus 2x power of 4 plus 9x squared from, let me see who gets it right. From 20x squared. I made it simple for you to type it in quickly, correctly. I made it simple. It's a long problem. I made it simply. What is the answer for this? You can send it to me in chat. Can I help, guys? Or if you got it, let me know. If you didn't get it as well, feel free to let me know. At the end of it, you have to do it at school. That's all. That's my intent.
I sent my answer.
1 minute. Yeah, I'll check my 1 minute. Oh yeah, Sri Charan, that's perfect. Aha. Mm, Yukti, are your signs correct? Can you check? Are your signs correct?
Oh wait, oh yeah, you're
See, that's where sometimes subtraction is a little messy. You need to be very careful. Abhiram, that's correct. Oh, Abhiram, how are you typing that? Can you educate us? He's really typing like
Me?
this. How are
Uh,
you typing that? Can you let us know? Because I would like to know too. He's typing it
uh,
like this.
basically, all I have to do is press Windows period,
Oh, Windows period. I want to check. Okay, what? Oh,
and then you go to, usually I go to symbols, and then I go all the way to,
okay.
I go to math symbols, and then
Oh,
there's
okay.
like these numbers.
Nice to know. Nice to know. Harika. Every time I mess up your name. Harshika. That is not correct, lady. The sign is absolutely flipped.
Oh, okay.
Oh, again, Yukti, sign is absolutely flipped. You did not understand. I'll help you. Arush, correct. Okay. You have to have your own names, guys. It's so hard for me. That's correct. You have to. Can you rename yourself correctly?
Miss Priya, is it right now?
I'll check. Come on, wait. Hey, can you all rename yourself properly?
Miss
That's so
Priya, is
hard
mine
on me.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is mine right?
That's right. Yes. Navneet, correct.
Auntie, is mine right?
Pranav, correct. I'm checking Aryan. Sorry. Aryan. Yukti, I'll do it on the board, ma. Sahana, correct. Aryan's why I'm not seeing. Yeah, Aryan, that's correct. Aryan, I reacted to yours. See the clap I made.
No, yeah, I just wasn't sure because you didn't say it, so.
Miss
yeah.
Priya,
Yeah,
did I get it right?
Whom? Ashrita, I didn't see yours, ma. I'll check. Yeah, Ananjay, thank you, Ananjay. It doesn't strike me immediately. I'm so sorry at times. Yeah, but
Yeah, my
thanks
bad.
for
I didn't
reading.
I didn't realize because I'm on my dad's computer right now, so I didn't
No,
realize it wasn't my
no
name.
problem at all. That's why I call out. No problem at all.
Yeah.
I'm checking yours. The correct, Marshita. Sometimes I'm just off my brain, so it's difficult. That's all. Thanks. Now, subtract minus 2x power of 5 plus 9x square from 20x square, right? This should be written first, guys. This is a common mistake many of you do. 20 from this you are subtracting. So, subtract minus 2x square plus 9x square. So, the signs are flipping. Subtraction of polynomials is very tricky at times, and if you don't focus, minus and minus become plus. Wait. And then this is power 5, and then this carries to this 9x square, right? 9x square. So what happens here? 1 second. So from 20, what I am doing, from 20x square, I'm just subtracting the rest, right? So the rest of the signs get flipped completely. So what happens? 11x square plus 2x power of 5, but this is not in standard form. Writing it in standard form, it becomes 2x power of 5 plus 11x square. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, so that's the sign problem is always existing in polynomial subtraction. Okay, now problems, word problem should be easy when it comes to handling addition and subtraction of polynomials. I really don't want to do. And one more thing. What is the okay, how about this, guys? 4x squared plus 7x cubed plus 9x power of 4 plus 15x power of 5 plus 3x plus 1. What is the leading coefficient in this polynomial? Sanjana, I didn't see your answer, ma. I'll check. Correct, ma, Sanjana. What is the leading coefficient in this polynomial?
15.
15.
15. Yeah, you should know that. Leading coefficient is the coefficient of the highest power of x. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll give you this. Maybe if I don't give you, I'll feel guilty too. So it's an easy problem, but you can do once and then we'll move on. Okay. A rectangle, problems like this will come in addition subtraction. A rectangle has a length of x and a width of 5x cubed plus 4 minus x square. Find the perimeter of the rectangle when the length is 5 feet. Problems like this will come. Polynomial addition subtraction word problem should be pretty easy, come what may. You have to be focused, that's all. Go to multiplying and dividing.
Wait, is the length X or 5 feet?
Why is that question?
Wait, is the length? Oh, wait, never mind. I got
Okay. No, yeah. Ask, otherwise see how will you get clarified, but at the same time, yeah. If you reread, you get it. Okay. Let me know if you're stuck, guys. It's easy one, but it's okay. Even if you don't get it, let me know quickly so we'll look at it and move on.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Correct. Question, good question. I'm checking. Wait. I have the answer. Let me see. Sri Charan, really? Yukti correct, ma. Ashrita correct. Sri Charan, that seems incorrect. Pranav correct. Aryan correct. Can you check Sri Charan?
First one was something from something else.
Oh, okay. Then send. Ananjay correct. Arush correct. Okay, so things like this will come. That's why I'm saying polynomial addition subtraction. I don't think we need to spend time. There are other important things where we need to spend a lot of time, I feel. Can I move on? Are anybody stuck? Huh? Otherwise, I'll move on, guys, if you say so. Yeah, that's correct. 1218 is correct, guys. Okay, I'll move on. If you're stuck, you're going to stop me. I'm going to move on. Okay. How about this? Okay. How about this? Let's see. Janice is building. Okay, I can do one more maybe. I am building fence. I'll do just this one, guys, not more. Around a rectangular yard. Length of the yard is equal to x. Width will be equal to 2x square minus 98x plus 5. Okay, measures are in feet. Measures are in feet. Okay. Length of the yard is equal to 50 feet and cost of fencing. Cost is equal to $13 per foot. What is the dollar spent on fencing? Do this one, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'll bring a book for you. Just do this. The money spent on fencing, you need to calculate.
What did the first two words say?
I'm back. What was the question? Sorry if I missed a question. Go ahead, guys. Okay. Pranav, that's right. Abhiram, that's right. So questions like these only will come in addition and subtraction. Let's go ahead with the next one then. Ashrita, I didn't check your answer, Ashrita. Yes, Ashrita. Yes, Srijal. Right. Sahana, that's right, ma. Arush, what is that number? I've not seen such a big number answer. Something feels wrong. You can use a calculator, I don't mind, but at the same time, make sure it's right. That's right, Navneet. Aryan, that's right. Maybe from next time, I'll start reading out the problem as well, Chetan. Harshika, you getting it, ma? Yeah, Arush, I'm a little concerned. You want to check once?
I didn't know we could use a calculator, so I think I messed up like somewhere.
Not using a calculator, I love it. No doubt, I love it. Okay, the answer was 4030, Arush. Okay, it's okay. I think you'll be fine. Ananji, you got 310. Why? Oh, Sanjana got a different answer. What's going on? Something is wrong. Now we are correct, ma'am. Sri Charan, correct. No. Sahana, correct. I don't know what is going on, but each of you are getting different answers. I'm a little worried.
I just sent my answer, but earlier you said my answer was right and I hadn't sent an answer yet.
No, that was right, ma. So x will be equal to c. Length of the yard is 50 feet. 50 feet means they're asking for, see, first of all, I'm building a fence around a rectangular yard. Length is x, width is this. So for a rectangle, what is the perimeter? 2x, x plus x will get added. And again, all of this will get added twice, right? So 2x plus 4x square minus 98 plus 98 is what? 9 plus 9, 18. 19. 196x plus 10, right? So here, length of the yard is 50 means, first of all, total in feet in perimeter is what? 50 means this becomes 100 plus 50 times 50 is 2500 times 4. 2500 times 4 is what? 10,000. Now 196 times 50 plus 10 minus 196 times 50 is what? So, okay. So 10,000 minus 10,800 is 200, 300, 310 I'm getting. After this, cost is $13 per foot. Times 13 is what? 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1. 3 1 is 3. 4030. Correct, guys? 310 times 13 is 4030. See, 31 and 13, how can you multiply together quick? 3 times 1 is 3, and then you cross. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry over the 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4, 403. So 0 is getting added because of the 0. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, I'll move on now. Now, coming to multiplication, right? Multiplication is small bit tricky. Now, suppose there is a cube, right? Instead of giving you the sides of the cube, if they give it to you like this, let's say this side is x plus 3, this side is x plus 2, right? This side is x. What is the volume of the cube? What is the volume of this cube? What is the volume of this cube, guys? Please, somebody shout out. What is the volume?
Length
So
times width times height.
Yeah, base area times height, right? What is it? X plus 3 times x plus 2 times x. Okay. Do you all know how to multiply or should I show you?
It's x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x.
Oh, wow. That was fast. So, when you multiply, right? What we'll do? First, let's do this. FOIL method, right? X square plus 2x. Then plus 3x plus 6 times x. Now, bring it in x cube plus 2x square plus 3x square plus 6x. Nice, Sanjay. So this is the volume of the cube. Multiplying of polynomials, multiplying of binomials you have already done. X plus 3, x minus 3, all this you have done. But let me ask you this question. This is from algebra 2. If you don't remember, you don't remember, I'll have to accept. But please tell me whether you remember all this. What is the formula for these three? Do you know?
The first one is a square plus b square. Second one is a
No, this is not
that's a square plus 2ab plus b
Ah,
square.
yep.
That second one's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
Yep. This one is
A plus B.
A plus b into a minus b.
very nice, guys. So even in your sleep, I'm always telling you in algebra 1 class, these three you should know by heart, and even in your sleep you should know. Now coming to algebra 2, there's no way you can forget this. However, in algebra 2, I really want you to memorize this. A plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. I really want you to memorize these. I'll bring in a cheat sheet, I feel, instead of me writing it down. Let me see. Cubes add cheat sheet. I really want you to memorize this, okay? When you come to, because so much easy when you memorize certain things. This is not the. Wait, guys. Algebra. I have a few more of these. I really want you to memorize that. Let's see. Not this ones. 1 second, guys. Let me get you. I feel like sometimes writing everything. Let's see. Yeah, this one is good, I think. Or algebra cheat sheet. Yeah, this is good. Let me see, guys. I'll share it with you in the classroom if you want to. Yeah, this is the one I want you to memorize fully nicely. How about this? This one. Yeah. This is the one I wanted to memorize, but if this is confusing, we can maintain our own a plus b the whole cube, I feel. A plus b the whole cube here. See, this is this entire thing, the cubes I wanted to memorize. Here, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. All are pluses. Same terms come for a minus b the whole cube, but alternatively there will be subtraction 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Where is it? Though this one. These two are what I wrote just now. Instead I used a and b. Now a cube plus b cube, I just write a plus b and then I go with a square minus ab plus b squared. A cube minus b cube is a minus b is written first and then everything is a plus. A square plus ab plus b squared. These two are what I wrote just now. Any questions here? All the four I would like you to memorize for algebra 2. You know, you can really do this. Foil and do a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. It's not hard, but then it's going to take a ton of time. Whereas if you memorize this, things are going to be very easy. I really wanted to memorize these formulas. I can put it in the Google Classroom or you can search it out and do. Can I move on? Now, we'll go to multiplications. Let's see. How about this? Okay. How about this? We'll try once by yourself and then I'll move on. If you want to multiply 3 plus 2x and 4 minus 7x plus 5x squared, can we do that? Just do that and send it to me. Let me see. These are simple ones, right? Multiplication, if you're doing by yourself, it's great. We'll move on quickly. Graphing of polynomials is something we need to spend time on. Go ahead, guys. If you're stuck, you can always ping in chat if you don't want to shout out.
Will you check my answer?
Absolutely no. Oh, Sahana also has her answer. Sahana, what is the first number, Sahana? I don't get it honestly, ma. um, N. Oh, Sahana. All are X's. All are X's, ma. All are X. There is no N there. Okay, I should have written it better, I feel.
Oh, sorry.
I am sorry. No Sri Charan. Ananjay, the coefficient accompanying X is incorrect. I feel I can check whether the book key is wrong. Aryan, that's right, Aryan. X plus X. That's right, Namni. Ashruta, that's correct. Abhiram, that's correct. That's correct, Abhiram. Yukti, that's not correct, ma.
Is it right now?
And I can check. Sahana, that's correct. And coming to Ananjay, I want to confirm his answer, right? Where are you? Ananjay. Q plus X. Yeah, that's correct. You edited it now, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
All
correct.
right, thanks.
No. And Sanjana, I'm checking yours, ma. Oh yeah, your answer is right. Anybody, did I leave somebody?
Is it right now?
Harshika, that's not right, ma. What, ma?
Is it right now? I changed it.
Whose did I miss?
Friend.
Sricharan, yeah, 1 minute.
Wait, Auntie, I think you said mine, but I wasn't able to hear
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yours is right.
Okay.
The next cube. Not really, Sricharan. Okay, guys, we need to be a little careful, meaning focus is what matters, I feel, because you all know how to do. 3 plus 4 is 12. 3 times minus, this is minus 21x. And then do it slowly, guys. Plus 15x squared. And then this is 8x. And then minus 14x squared plus 10x cube. Now 10x cube is the biggest, right? Meaning is the largest, meaning x cube is the highest power. And then I'm going to compare 15 and 14. That will end up with what? Just 1x square, right? So let me cross out whatever I have done. Now minus 21 plus 8 becomes, take away the 1, take away 7. That will lead to 13x, right? And then a 12. This is what is the correct answer. You can check with yours. Let me know if you're still stuck. This comes with practice. Those of you who are making a mistake should practice, that's all. I feel like everybody knows how to do. Can I give you one more and see? Let's see. This time I want it to be a trinomial and a trinomial. Let's see whether I can get a trinomial with a trinomial. Because the rest of it becomes easy. Okay, this last one we'll do in a multiplication of polynomials. How about this? X cube, you can do in paper and just send me the answer, that's enough. Trinomial with a trinomial. X cube, x square 1, and then x square minus x and minus 5. Can we try that? Thanks, Ram. There are two things that I have not covered in this class, guys. One is cubic function graphing transformations, and one another thing is polynomial graphing. I will go to polynomial graphing after we finish division, synthetic division and all. Okay, I'll cover cubic functions as well shortly. If your school covers it before, let me know next week. I'll cover it in class. It's not a big one. Sahana, if you feel overwhelmed with the homework, right? Sahana, do alternate problems, ma'am. Don't get frustrated.
No,
Because
just like this 1 week, I was really busy.
no problem.
But I finished the Algebra 2 homework from last
Okay.
week, and I completed the geometry homework today as well.
Yeah, that's with good intentions. I'm saying I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. Just reduce on one of them. You do only alternate problems.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I am checking this. Oh, what is that? Okay, I have the answer. 5 minus 6x cube. Pranav has got an answer. Chetan, we are multiplying x cube plus x square plus 1 trinomial with x square minus x minus 5.
So
Chetan,
two trinomials?
yeah, two trinomials we are multiplying. Be it any time, if you want me to read it out, please let me know, Chetan. I tend to just move, but it was not deliberate. So x cube plus x square plus 1 trinomial is being multiplied with x square minus x minus 5.
Okay.
Is it hard on you? Meaning, do you know how to multiply trinomials?
Yeah, I just need,
Okay, what do you
like,
need? Tell me.
it takes time for me to multiply it out. Like,
What is that?
it takes time for me to multiply it out. Like,
Oh, I see. You want me to wait? I'll wait. Otherwise, I'll move on if you say it's okay to move on.
I know how to do this though, so you can move on.
Okay, that's good.
We're doing this in school right now.
Oh, nice. Okay, good to know. Hey, Sricharan, have you given the answer?
Yes.
Uh, that seems incorrect, ma. Can you check? Correct, Sanjana. Now we are correct. Okay, you have not written in standard form, which is making my job messy, but it is correct. Sahana, that's correct, ma. Yukti as well, I think that's right. Yukti, correct. Right, let's explore a 4. Harshika, somewhere something is messed up. Particularly the signs are all messed up in particular.
Okay, I'll fix that.
Yeah. One expression seems extra as well. 4 of 5 minus 6 is 6. 4x, Abhiram, that's correct. So you're all, several of you are solid with polynomials. 4 of 5 minus 6x 4. See, just because you're all solid, the class moves faster, honestly. This class moves faster. X power of 5 minus 6x minus x minus 5. Correct, Navneet. Aryan, correct. Arush, correct. Okay.
I edited it now. So
You edited. I can check. Wait. No, Sricharan. There is no x power of 4 term. Okay, I can write out the answer for you. X power of 5 minus 6x cube minus 4x square minus x minus 5 is the answer. If you say we can move on, I'll move on because these are elementary ones. You can sit and solve at home, I feel.
you can
Okay,
move
that's what I felt. Okay, thanks. Now, suppose if I give you this, right? Verify things like this. Meaning, I give you an equation. And ask you to verify this. Literally, I give you this equation and ask you to verify this polynomial identity. If I ask you to verify this polynomial identity, what would you do? You will simply sit and multiply using FOIL on the right side to make it equal to this. That is how you verify polynomial identities. I'm not going to do that here because it's just multiplication and then cancelling whichever is common. So I'm not going to do that in here. Okay, let's go ahead with something else. Okay, now how about this? Do you all remember factoring trinomials? 6x cube plus, oh my god. I'm moving on to factoring polynomials. I'll give you an insight and then we'll discuss for today, okay? But then I want you to do this. Let's say 6x cube plus 15x square plus 6x. Do you know how to factor out the polynomials using GCD? You can take out the greatest common factors, factor it out into linear factors. Do you know how to do it? If you are not able to factor it out into linear factors, but then you are getting a quadratic expression which is not reducible, it's called irreducible factor. We'll see what are they. First, try to factorize into product of linear factors. So this is you're taking the GCF. You know how to take the GCF? Amma, let me know if you don't know, then I will do it on the board. I'm asking. If you're given a polynomial and then you're asked to factor it, here you can take out the greatest common factors and then factor this polynomial into product of linear factors. Do you want me to do that or will you be able to do that? I'm okay with anything, but please open your mouth and let me know what should I do.
I don't know. I know how to
Can
do the GCF part, but I don't know what to do after.
Oh,
you
okay.
do it?
You can do it, yes. GCF means the greatest common factor, Srichar. And what is the factor that's common between all of
I
them?
know how to do that part, but I don't know what to do after.
Oh, okay. So what's the GCF is? This is 3x is common, right? After taking that out as common, I can write this like this, right? Is this reducible or is it an irreducible factor? There are two things, meaning the polynomial, this polynomial can be written as a product of linear factors, then it is a reducible polynomial. If it cannot be reduced, sometimes it can be a reducible polynomial if it can be reduced into product of linear factors, meaning power 2 is there, right? You can still write x plus 1 times x plus 2. Like that, linear factor products, you can make it. You can, then it is reducible. Otherwise, if you can't do that, it is called an irreducible factor of the bigger polynomial. Yes, Pranav, I think your answer is right. So here when you...
Does it the coefficient, not the coefficient, like I forgot what it's called, but the number, does it have to be an integer?
Which one, ma? You write on the board and show, I can tell you immediately.
Like the 3x and like 2x squared. There's a 2 and stuff like that on the like x minus 1 whole bracket time, like x minus
Exactly.
2.
Yeah. This one can be expressed like that. How? 2x.
Yeah, I'm just like, would the x have to be an integer?
No, x need not be an integer. Meaning, what I didn't get your question, Srichar. I'm sorry. What is that?
Like, does the thing it's called coefficient, does it have to be an integer?
Oh, the coefficient. Usually they are integers, but they not necessarily. Many coefficients need not be integers.
Okay.
Now here it becomes this becomes x plus 2. Then here it becomes plus 1 x plus 2. So that's what it's all about. So this becomes 3x times 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. Did you all get the same thing? Yes. If you didn't get it, please let me know. So we will spend more time on this.
I got it.
Yes, I'm seeing all your answers. Sanjana, the answer is not simplified. Did you see that, ma?
Yeah, I sent you the wrong answer by accident.
No, that's correct. But then you have to simplify it further. That's all.
Yeah, I forgot to send you my final answer.
Wow. Arush went to the point of stating he solved this equation equal to 0. Then he put this equal to 0. X can be equal to 0 or x can be equal to minus 1 by 3 from here or x can be equal to minus 2. These are, see, the power of this polynomial, the highest power of this polynomial is 3, right? So from here we can understand that there can be 3 x values for which the polynomial will cross the x-axis. That means this polynomial will have 3 roots. Roots are what? X-intercepts. What are x-intercepts? 3 places. When you graph this into a coordinate plane, there will be 3. This polynomial graph will cut the x-axis at 0, at minus 1 by 3 and minus 2. So this polynomial will cut the x-axis at 3 different places. What are the places? X equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 by 3 and x equal to minus 3. So since the highest power of this polynomial is 3, we can say that this has 3 x-intercepts or 3 roots or 3 zeros. Sometimes you cannot get this directly. Here everything is real roots when you think about it. But sometimes you may not end up with real roots. That we'll see it next week. Meaning factoring of polynomials. We'll continue on that further next week. And if your school discusses cubic functions, transformations or polynomial graphing, we'll do that next week and then proceed with this. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? No? Okay, then we'll stop here and literally your homework will be on polynomials only. Let me do it in the book because there's nothing else you need outside the book for that one. So I'll go ahead and assign only addition and subtraction. If you have any questions, definitely stay, ask, and let's discuss. If you don't have any questions, see you all next week. Have a nice week ahead, guys.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Andy.
Bye, Mom.
Priya,
Thank
thank
you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.